Hello everyone, welcome to Virtual Labs. Today we will discuss Digital Electronics Lab designed by IIT Roorkee. So just click on Digital Electronics Lab. So this is the list of experiments. Today we will discuss the practical number 8, that is implementation and verification of decoder and encoder using logic gates. So in last tutorial we have covered the 1 raised to 4D multiplexer. Okay, so just click on implementation and verification of decoder. So in this, first we will cover the truth table, the functioning, the operation of decoder, and then we will move towards encoder. Okay, so for theory portion, just click on theory. So this is all about the decoder and encoder. So decoder is basically a combinational circuit. Okay, so in simple words, encoders convert to the power n lines of input into a code of n bits, and decoders decode the capital N bits into a 2 to the power n lines. So we will understand this concept with the help of diagram or with the help of truth table. So first, decoder. So decoder is used to translate or decode the coded information from one format into the another, or a digital decoder transforms a set of digital input signals into an equivalent decimal code at its output. Okay, so this is basically the block diagram of decoder, in which there are n input lines and m output lines. So a relationship between input and output for the case of decoder is defined as, if there are n input lines, so a maximum of 2 to the power n, that is equal to m. So a maximum of 2 to the power n unique output lines will be exist in the case of decoder. So we can understand it with a simple example of 2 to the power, or you can say 2 to 4 binary decoder. Okay, so it means there are two inputs, so n input lines, so there are two inputs, and we will get 2 to the power n, where n is the number of input lines. So 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 2 is 4, so this is 2 to 4 binary decoder. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram of 2 to the 4 decoder. There are two inverters and four AND gates, and the respective outputs are AB, AB bar, A bar B, and A bar B bar. One point that we have to remember in the case of decoder and encoder is there are no select lines in the case of decoder and encoder. Okay, so in decoder, it is a block diagram of 2 to the power 2 means 2 to 4 decoder. So A and B are inputs, Q0 to Q3 are outputs. So for two inputs, there are four possible outcomes: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Okay. Now, if both inputs are 0, means A equal to 0, B equal to 0, then we will get the output at Q0. For 0, 1, we will get the output at Q1, for 1, 0 at Q2, and for 1, 1, when both A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, we will get the output at Q3. Okay, so this is the truth table of decoder, 2 to 4 decoder. So now we will check, or we will implement this, or we can say we will simulate this decoder function with the help of simulator. So for this, just click on simulation and click on decoder. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram, or you can say with the help of 7404 inverter IC and 7408 AND gate IC, we will implement 224 decoder. Okay, so on the left hand side there is a list of instruction which we have to follow for the proper connection diagram, and then we will find out the results for a particular combination of inputs A and B. So first of all we have to connect the supply, that is plus 5 volt, to the IC. Then second, press any one of the switch A and B for which you want to get your corresponding encoded output. Okay, so there are two switches, A and B. Okay, now third, the switch is on state and switch in off state like this. Third, now check the corresponding output LED glows or not. So we will check our output with the help of these LEDs from Q0 to Q3. Press add button to add the corresponding result, and then check the values of inputs and output in the table accordingly. Okay, so first of all we switch on our power supply, then we will provide possible combinations with the help of two switches, that is A and B. The LEDs will glow according to the combinations of A and B, and we will add all these inputs or all these values in our truth table. So let's start. So suppose our first condition is A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. So in this condition both A and B switch off. So for this the Q0 LED is glowing. So as we have already discussed that for A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, Q0 output will be 1. Okay, so next task is to add these values to our truth table. Second, for A equal to 1 or B equal to 0, or you can say for A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. And last condition is A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. Okay, so first condition, this A equal to 0, B equal to 0. Second condition is A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Okay, then Q1 output will be high. So add these values. Third is for A equal to 1, B equal to 0, add this value, and last A equal to 1, B equal to 1, Q3. So you can see the values of A and B and their respective outputs. Okay, so for A equal to 0, B equal to 0, this is 0, this is 2, this is 1, so Q1 is high, here Q2 is high, and here Q3 is high. So with the help of this truth table we can say, or we can verify our operation of decoder, that is 2 to 4 decoder for a possible combinations of A and B. This is the connection diagram of decoder that is already provided to you. You have to apply only the power supply, you have to provide the values to A and B, and according to that you will get your outputs at Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So I hope you will understand the working, the block diagram, the truth table of 2 to 4 decoder, and the simulation of the same with the help of inverter and AND gate IC. So in the next tutorial we will discuss the working or the simulation of encoder with the help of virtual lab. Thank you.